Upgrade your driving experience with the best Bluetooth car adapter. This device transforms your vehicle's audio system into a wireless powerhouse, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and unreliable connections. Key features include seamless wireless connectivity, superior sound quality, easy installation and setup, universal compatibility with most vehicles, hands-free calling capabilities. Enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and phone calls with crystal clear audio and minimal distraction. There are many Bluetooth car adapter to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best Bluetooth car adapter from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Ugrino Bluetooth Adapter for Car. Introducing the Ugrino Bluetooth Adapter for Car, a cutting-edge solution that brings wireless connectivity to your vehicle's audio system. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip, this adapter offers faster transmission speeds, enhanced reliability, and lower power consumption, delivering CD-quality sound with minimal static noise. Experience hands-free calling with crystal clear audio thanks to the built-in microphone and easy-to-use button control, ensuring both convenience and safety while driving. With an impressive 15-hour battery life for calls and music playback, and rapid 2-hour charging via the included Type-C cable, this adapter keeps you connected throughout your journey. Effortlessly compatible with car audio systems, speakers, and amplifiers. Simply plug it into the 3.5mm O port to connect your mobile devices wirelessly. This audio Bluetooth supports connecting. Number 2. Meticulously Wireless In-Car Bluetooth. Enhance your driving experience with the Meticulously Wireless In-Car Bluetooth FM transmitter, a versatile device that brings modern connectivity to your vehicle. Featuring a 1.44-inch LCD display, it clearly shows essential information like phone calls, FM channels, music, and car battery voltage, without distracting you from the road. The flexible gooseneck design allows for optimal viewing angles, while Bluetooth V5.0 technology ensures fast, stable connections. Experience superior audio quality with noise cancellation technology. Number 3. Lihin Hands-Free Call Car Charger. Introducing the Lihin Hands-Free Call Car Charger, a versatile all-in-one solution for your in-car entertainment and communication needs. This wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter adapter supports multiple audio sources including Bluetooth, USB disc, TF card, and various music formats like MP3, WMA, WAV, APE, and FLAC. Featuring anti-interference performance and CVC technology, it delivers high-quality audio while charging your devices. The adapter seamlessly connects to memorized devices upon power-up, ensuring instant accessibility. Compatible with a wide range of devices including iPads, iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, Google, LG, HTC, and other Bluetooth-enabled gadgets, it effortlessly streams music, podcasts, audiobooks, and navigation instructions to your car's radio. The built-in microphone and one-key call handling functionality enables safe, hands-free communication while driving. This Bluetooth car adapter has 2 USB charging ports to charge most USB devices. Number 4. IMDN Bluetooth Transmitter for Car. Discover the ultimate driving companion with the IMDN Bluetooth Transmitter for Car, a versatile device that revolutionizes your in-car experience. This innovative transmitter features 2 USB ports, including a Quick Charge 3.0 port, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously with impressive efficiency. Enjoy crystal clear hands-free calling thanks to the high-performance microphone with noise suppression CVC technology, all manageable with simple button clicks. Immerse yourself in hi-fi music by inserting a USB flash drive with MP3 files, or stream your playlist from various Bluetooth-enabled devices without signal distortion. The wide compatibility ensures seamless pairing with iPhones, iPads, Android smartphones, and tablets from brands like Samsung, HTC, and Sony. Number 5. Lensant FM Transmitter. Elevate your driving experience with the Lensant FM Transmitter T25, a versatile device that brings crystal clear music streaming to your vehicle. Featuring anti-static design and CVC technology for noise and wind suppression, this transmitter delivers full duplex sound quality. Stream your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, or microSD card, supporting various music formats including WMA, MP3, WAV, APE, and FLAC. The intelligent dual USB ports allow simultaneous charging of 2 devices, while built-in safety features ensure secure power delivery. Experience seamless hands-free calling with stable Bluetooth connectivity and enhanced voice clarity. Built-in microphone and one-key call handling functionality enables safe, hands-free communication while driving. This Bluetooth car adapter has 2 USB charging ports to charge most USB devices.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of it with our cool products, as it's going to make your life more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great